A solid yellow lane marking typically indicates that passing or overtaking other vehicles is not allowed in that area. These lane markings are often used to separate traffic moving in opposite directions on roads. The solid yellow line acts as a visual cue for drivers to stay in their lane and avoid crossing over into the opposite lane. A broken single yellow line in the middle of the road usually indicates that overtaking or crossing the line is generally permitted, but only when it is safe to do so. It serves as a warning that passing may be possible, but drivers must ensure there is no oncoming traffic and that it is safe before making the maneuver. The broken line gives flexibility for overtaking, but caution is always advised. A solid double yellow line in the middle of the road means no passing is allowed in either direction. Drivers are prohibited from crossing the double yellow line to overtake another vehicle. This type of marking is used in areas where passing would be too dangerous, such as curves, intersections, or areas with limited visibility. On the side with the broken yellow line, passing is allowed. Drivers can cross the line to overtake another vehicle. On the side with the solid yellow line, passing is not allowed. Drivers cannot cross the solid yellow line to overtake another vehicle, as it is considered too dangerous or restricted.